Hey there coders, welcome back to another exciting episode in our Rust programming series. In this video, we will dive deep into structs from basic definition to advanced methods. We will explore tuple structs, init structs, and even how to debug and write methods for structs. Let's get started. First, what is structs? Structs in the Rust are a way to group related data together into a single compound type. They allow you to organize your data and make your code more expressive and readable. Unlike tuple, structs give name to the data field, making them easier to work with. First, come in your code editor and let's see how to define structs. First, struct user active bool type, username string type, email string, and sign in count. Sorry, sign in count as u64. Here, here we define a struct named user. The user struct has four fields. Active is a bool that might indicate whether the user account is active or not. Username is a string that store the user's chosen name. Email. Email is a string storing the user's email address. And sign in count. Sign in count is a U64 that tracks how many times the user has signed in. Why use a struct? A struct allow us to group these related fields together into a meaningful type called user. Without a struct, we did have to manage this value separately. Now, create an instance of struct. Let let's say username one user one equals user and say it active as true. Sorry, active as true. Username as string from user1 and email as sorry string from email @email dot com and sign in count as let's say 1. Here we create a variable user1 and initializes it with specific values for the fields. Notice how we use string from function to create string values for the username and email. Now access these fields in println function. Let's say first access username. So user1 dot username. Let's see the output. Sorry, user1. So to access the specific field of struct, use dot notation. In this case, we print the username of the user1 instance. Let's access more thing such as email and see the output. email@email.com. So to start off, we defined a struct called user. Think of this struct as a blueprint creating user object. It has four fields: active, username, email, and sign in count. These fields describe everything we need to know about user. We then create an instance of struct with name user1 and populate it with data using key value pairs. Finally, we use dot notation Finally, we use dot notation to access and print the username and email. And that's it for this video. I will see you in next one. Let's keep building with Rust. Thank you.